What is Snowflake Crunch?
Snowflake Crunch is like a bunch of cereal and some other stuff combined to make a delicious snack.
And white chocolate.
Oh yeah, white chocolate.
Did everybody wash their hands?
Yeah!
Did you wash your hands?
Yes!
Mom, tell them what to do.
Okay, so my mom is the master of Snowflake Crunch. I just called her, so we got the right recipe. We have Kix cereal.
I love this stuff.
We're supposed to have Rice Chex, but they didn't have any, so we did Crispix. We need Rice Krispies. We did the big giant off-brand bag. It's open, so don't make it spill. And
My favorite cereal, honeycomb.
Ooh.
Okay, and then we did almond bark. It's better than white chocolate. Now we just need to melt this
How do we melt it?
in the microwave in a microwave-safe bowl.
Are any of those safe for the microwave? This metal one probably works.
We've got our almond bark mostly melted, but we want to hurry and measure out our cereal. Okay, so you do about 2 cups, maybe more, of each of your 4 cereals.
This doesn't seem like that accurate of a
It's
way.
not. It's not supposed to be accurate. You just
Can I
get approximately.
Hold the cup. Okay, we gotta do 2 cups. Oh. There you go.
Okay.
Okay, now
If you want some more stuff.
Okay, Rice Krispies. Oh, those look so delicious. 2 cups. These are like the cups I do when I'm counting calories.
Annabelle, that's open, sweetie.
Those Krispies look different than.
Okay, dump it. Yeah, these will be interesting. We'll see.
Let's see what happens.
Okay, the melting instructions on the back of the package says microwave at full power for a minute, stir it, and then continue to heat in 15-second increments until it's smooth. But overheating it will cause it to burn.
Ooh, that's not good. Who likes burnt almond bark?
Not me.
Ooh. Nobody ever.
Nobody.
As I said, nobody. What are you doing?
Why do this? I eat it. Guys, stop.
Okay, I'm glad that's your bowl and nobody else's bowl. Millie did touch this to her mouth. Okay, we're washing this.
Off your nose.
Okay, so we have bowls. A stirrer. You're gonna be a stirrer? Are you a stirrer?
No.
Okay.
I'm stirring up some batter.
Oh yeah, good.
Look.
Let's pretend.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's melting a lot.
Oh, I don't know if you should be that close to the microwave while it's going. Okay, stop. Your brain's gonna fry.
I turned this batter into frosting. I made frosting, so I'm gonna paint this gingerbread with it now.
We're not making gingerbread. We're making Snowflake Crunch. Where have you been? We got some hot almond bark. Ooh.
Not hot. We don't want it too melted because we don't want to burn it.
We've got some warm almond. Oh, slow-mo.
Look at that delicious almond bark. When you're in the mood for Snowflake Crunch, reach for great value almond bark.
Who thinks we should just eat all the Snowflake Crunch?
Not me.
Then I didn't ask you. What should we do with the Snowflake Crunch and a banana?
We're giving it to our neighbors.
Oh, yeah. What do you think about that, little dude? Good idea or bad idea?
Good idea.
Okay.
Because it's Christmas. Christmas is in like 4 or 5 days. Can I do some mixing?
What do you think about it, little Monkey Moo? Give it away or not?
Monkey Moo is our YouTube name.
I like the fold-in approach. Good job. Well, that's starting to look like Snowflake Crunch. Did I ever tell you guys 1 year I put Snowflake Crunch in a bowl and poured eggnog in and ate it? That's not a good thing to do.
Was it gross?
No, it was delicious.
Seriously, then let's do it.
No, it's bad for you. It's very unhealthy.
Yeah, this didn't make a lot with 1 package of almond.
That's a whole package?
Yeah.
We have a lot more Snowflake Crunch to make.
I like Snowflake Crunch. What do you think about it? What do you think, little dude?
Okay, I think we're pretty
I
much
bet it's gonna be delicious.
mixed. So now,
We're gonna let that cool.
yep, and we don't have a whole bunch of cookie sheets.
Uh-oh. Have you been eating the aluminum foil again?
Yeah.
Open your mouth. Did you actually swallow it? You need to call poison control?
No.
Don't do that. Ugh.
We've just got tinfoil spread out on our kitchen counter because we don't have enough
Cookie seeds.
cookie sheets. So we're just gonna let it dry
What?
on our kitchen
We're just
counter.
piling it on.
Nobody touch it, okay?
That looks so delicious.
Now we gotta let it dry. Don't touch it.
I wish I could just.
Oh, good job, but you don't need to do that yet. That's basically just stirring nothing. Okay, what do you think about Snowflake Crunch?
I bet it's gonna be delicious when we get the leftovers.
You think so? What if there is no leftovers?
Then I guess we won't be able to taste the beautiful, delicious Snowflake Crunch.
I'll tell you what, if there's no leftovers, we'll go buy a Snickers bar.
Which is okay. Okay.
You know, when I was a kid, Snickers was something to get excited about.
Oh. Beep! Like that.
Yeah. You gotta be a professional. Oh. It almost looks like Elmer's glue.
It
Oh,
looks.
that makes it sound disgusting.
Yeah. Mommy, it looks like. It reminds
White
me of.
chocolate is way
It
better.
reminds me of that chunky milk on Mr. Beast. Try not to laugh.
You guys.
Uh-oh. It's the Three Amigos.
Three amigos.
This is starting to harden.
Starting to harden, we'll be able to break it up.
Wait, is that seriously what you do?
No, Mom's gonna like cut it or something. I don't know.
Oh.
This bowl is too small, and we can't get a good mix. So we're switching over to the tried and true bowl of unobtainium.
Are we just gonna throw it onto the other stuff?
No, because the other stuff already dry, so we're gonna put it next to it. Okay, tell me what you're gonna do with this.
We're gonna put it in the microwave and cook it for about 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Okay, bingo. Let's go.
I'm gonna do all the work since I'm a genius. I'm gonna look through the camera. This is hard. Okay.
Oh, it looks like a giant snowman.
Hold on. I'm losing my nerve.
Why are we not putting like Fruity Flakes and...
Well, we can. I just want it to look like snowflakes.
Do you guys vote? Maybe we do another batch
No.
with
Like Fruit Loops.
Fruity Pebbles.
Yeah.
Wait. We could do Snowflake Crunch with Cocoa Pebbles.
Ooh.
Call it Brown Flakes. Brown Flake Crunch.
Yeah. You're a genius.
Okay, nothing quite as fun as watching Snowflake Crunch dry. So what do you do? How do you break it up? Holy cow.
See?
It's like you're moving the whole entire plate tectonic underneath it. Okay, we've got 4 almond vanilla, and we've got 1 chocolate. I don't see any more up there. What do you think about that?
I think that's pretty good. Comment below if you saw any other chocolate because that's taller than my dad.
I think we could use this stuff, but it'd be, I don't know, you have to get a lot of it.
Especially you, Natalie. Comment below.
Okay, what do we have to do?
We have to go home and make more freaking Snowflake Crunch.
All right, love the crunch. Glad Walmart is pretty close, and glad they had some almond bark. Chocolate and vanilla. You guys think Mom will be happy about the chocolate, or you think she'll be like, what the heck is this?
I think she'll be like, what the heck is this?
You're probably right.
I go 50-50.
So you have no idea. That's a safe bet, but that really isn't. You're not calling it. I mean, if you just say 50-50, of course it's going to be either one. Big old Christmas tree. I'm not going to tune into the frequency right now because I'm driving. Oh, it's so pretty! Okay, I'll go around one time. Look at those presents and the sheep and some cactus, and there's a nativity. Here's some more stuff. More presents. Presents. Frosty the Snowman. More presents. Another Frosty. Peace. Ooh, angels all over the place. More presents. All right, we're out. Okay, as you can see, we have quite the operation. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 million, and then a bunch of bags over here. And then we got another batch and some more stuff drying.
So we have about 100 bags.
100 bags.
Or 75. Adam?
Okay, now that we've done it all, we get to take up the aluminum foil. And just like that. Oh, we should make it look like a big burrito and go give it to somebody. Okay, well, we made a pretty big batch. There's lots of it, mountain of it. If you want the recipe, here it is. Ready? 2 cups of every cereal, a whole thing of almond bark, mix it together, let it dry, break it up, put it in a bag, take it to your neighbor's house and say, Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more of these videos, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment on the bottom side. Goodbye! If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to ring that bell and subscribe. We upload every Saturday. So we upload 1 video a week, and it's on Saturday.